like literally every single VC fund, hedge fund, financial institution, bank, they all hold a little bit of Bitcoin now. And they weren't panicking. When Bitcoin was falling and there was volatility, they were not panicking. They were buying. They were buying and buying and buying, which is why, okay, let me remove my camera here. The Bitcoin reserve on Coinbase is at an all-time low. All-time low. Look at that huge spike downwards recently. Coinbase is running out of Bitcoin. They can only sell so much on the OTC market. I told you guys. There's only so much to go around. Eventually, it's going to dry up, and they're just going to say, hey, you can't buy any on the OTC market anymore. We're not going to sell it to you. We need to reserve some for ourselves. Right? That's part of the supply shock that I've been telling you guys. It's happening right in front of our eyes. Just many or most are not paying attention to it. Okay? So it's happening right now. Even Andrew Tate says he's done with banks, done with money, done with scams, and he's going to ape $100 million into Bitcoin. He's going to put all of it in there. As you can see, everyone is FOMOing into Bitcoin. It's just that simple. So again, regardless if Bitcoin is up or down today or yesterday or tomorrow, we know Bitcoin is only going to go in one direction long term, and that's upwards. More and more people are understanding the way you opt out, according to Tate, the matrix, is to opt into Bitcoin. And from a chart perspective, yeah, we were on a downtrend. And then boom, we broke out of it. Now it seems like we're in an uptrend. Today, the ETFs, I don't know the exact numbers, but volume were very high. And tomorrow, I'm pretty sure we're going to see some massive inflows reported for today. And here's another one. We talked about the inverse head and shoulders. I brought this up many times. It looks like it's starting to happen, okay? And if it repeats the previous pattern, that means we're heading up to 70,000 plus in short order. I mean, honestly, when we're at 66,000, 70,000 doesn't seem all that much. It's only 4,000 away. That's only less than 10% away. Can we hit 70,000 tomorrow? Yeah. We could hit our previous high, 73,000, by Friday. I mean, that's the honest truth. We could be at 70,000 tomorrow and 73,000 and maybe even go to 74,000 by Friday or this weekend. It is not out of the realm of possibility, especially when FOMO hits. We know that Bitcoin has been very oversold recently, and it looks like it's ready to move up, right? And the funny thing is, this all started because we got some fake CPI readings this morning. That's kind of how it started. And then it avalanched down this hill, this freight train of Bitcoin that can't be stopped. So it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. But today is not just a Bitcoin day. Everything went up. Let's look at some of these, the top crypto sectors. They're all exploding right now. This is what you're supposed to be paying attention to, what you're supposed to be DCAing when things are still low. Memes have absolutely exploded. Even before today's rally, memes have been going up like crazy. Okay, and if you're sorting at CMC and you look at the memes, you know what? They've all done pretty well today. You got Doge up 5%, Shiba up 8%, Floki 9%, Book of Meme 10%. You got Brett up 23%, even Trump up, well, it was 25-16. And then you got many others. I mean, this doesn't list all the memes, okay? Just a few. But today's a good meme day. What about gaming? We had a lot of gaming projects explode today. Immutable X, which is a leading gaming / NFT chain, up almost 18% today. I don't know why Floki is listed in here, but Gala is up 9%. Beam, which is another very focused gaming chain, 15%. And then you got others that are, doing quite well today as well. But what about something else? What about AI? big data. Okay, this is really hot, of course. And then you got a lot of good movers near protocol, up almost 18% today. 18%. You got Render that's up slightly at 5%, and you got the Graph, Tensor, Injective, Theta, Fetch, Akash, Singularity, all double digits. All in the AI, big data, DeepIn sector, right? These are all good stuff. And let's keep in mind, AI is probably going to get hotter for a couple reasons. Number one, the AI war. I don't know if you guys noticed, like Google just released their new like search thing, and then ChatGPT released some new thing. Facebook is going to get involved. Everyone is fighting for the number one spot. But the true winner is, of course, NVIDIA. And NVIDIA is going to be releasing their earnings May 22nd in about a week. Okay? And you know they're going to have a fantastic earnings. They are going to blow out of water once again. They have no competition. I don't know where AMD is. AMD GPUs just like lost. No one talks about it. No one's using it for AI. I don't know what's going on with GPUs from AMD, but NVIDIA is going to absolutely kill it. And when they do, there will be many projects in the crypto space that benefit from it. Okay? For example, Render. Render has a light partnership, indirect partnership with Apple. But they are definitely in the DeepIn AI space. You got Fetch AI that's also trying to merge with Singularity and Ocean, right? You got a lot of big projects, Singularity, also AI play. I mean, there are a lot of really good AI / DeepIn plays that I think will only get stronger. And there's a lot of newcomers too in this space that's kind of in the AI realm, and they will all probably get hotter as well. Solana itself today did very well, up 12%. Some of these are repeats, okay? WIF is on Solana, yes. Render's on Solana, yes. A lot of people say, well, Solana doesn't have any dApps. That's not true. You got Render, you got Helium, you got others. Jupiter, also the biggest DEX in the world, on the planet, up about 12% today. And you got a whole lot of memes. You got Jitto, which I think is a liquid staking platform, up 15%. I don't know why Terra Classic is listed in here, but you got many others. Even a Trump coin is on Solana. Audius is another one that's within a Solana ecosystem. Solana is hot and will continue to be hot for a long time, at least within this cycle for sure.